Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can jailbreak ChatGPT. So at first, just go to Chrome or Google on your phone and search for chat.openai.com. So after going to the ChatGPT, just open another tab and search for ChatGPT space Dan. So after searching this, just go to the first website, jailbreak.md. Now just scroll here, and here you can see the Dan 60 prompt. Click on this. Now copy this paragraph here, copy this full thing and go back to ChatGPT. Now paste it here in the search bar. So guys, this is how can you jailbreak ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.